Hello friends, uh, this is a Leetcode problem question, and that is a Pascal's triangle. It's the easy type question, and the question is that given an integer nums row, return the first nums row as a Pascal's triangle. In a Pascal's triangle, each numbers of the sum of the two numbers directly above of its sum. It means what is the Pascal's triangle? 1 minute. What is the Pascal's triangle? Pascal's triangle is that if the sum of these number 1 minute, this okay, sum of these number is equal to sum of these number, okay, then sum of these number equal to sum of these number, then sum of these number is equal to sum of these number. After that, if mm, uh, in this number upper left and upper right, this number is equal to right of upper plus left of upper, okay. In this time, this is 1, in this right of upper is 1, and left of upper nothing, that is a 0. If a number is nothing, then in this place is equal to 0. It's okay. So that in this 1 1, and in this time it's a boundary. In this number it's a left number and it's a right number. In a right number nothing, then equal to 0. In a left number 1, then equal to 1, and the sum of 0 plus 1 is 1. In this position, left number is 1 and right number is 0, then 1 plus 0 is 0. In this time, right number is 1 and left number is 3, so that 3 plus 1 equal to 4. This is a Pascal's triangle, okay. And and this is an example. An example is the if an argument given in a num integer, it's a integer type, so that's if pass through a integer type, then 1 minute, this, okay, if pass through this, then in this it's the 1, in this row it's the 1, then 1, in this row it's the 2 ones, then subarray of is 2 1. In this line 1 2 1, so the subarray of this array is second element is 1 2 1. This 1 2 3 4, fourth element is 1 3 3 1, then 1 3 3 1. It's a, then fifth element is this 1 4 6 4 1. This is the fifth element. Then the how many sub array in this array? 1 2 3 4 5. It's okay. And one thing you so that you first is only one element. In a second place, two element. In a third place, three element. In a fourth place, four element. In a fifth place, fifth element. Then number of so that's a pass through argument is 5. So that if 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 5. This is it's okay. So it's okay. Then solve this question. Then first take a list one. It's okay. Then after that, in this question, if n is equal to less than 1, in at least n is equal to 1, then return this. Okay. If n is less than 1, if pass through the argument in the generator in this number is less than 0, num row is equal to less than 1, then what will be happen? Nothing. So that's if nums is less than 0, done. Nums, it's okay. Then integer, it's okay. Add the, if less than 1, then returns nothing, it's a number, the pass through the argument. After that, it's the 1, then return this is. So that's it's okay. Add a number, add a 1 in this array, in this list. I think I write this is list. Okay. It's okay. Array list. Let's take a new array list. New array list. Okay. Then one other integer. It's okay. Okay. Then this. Okay. And in this time starting with 1 because minimum if n is equal to 0, then this to this condition and then return in this time. If n is equal to 1, this, then take an array, a list is curve, it's a sure, and then another list this play, then the raise dot get in get a raise dot get. What is raise dot get? It's a number add in this 1 2 3. It's a name raise. The raise dot get of index number 1. Then what is the output? 2. Output is 2. It's okay. So that there is a same. That's the same. It's a raise dot get and n minus 1. It's the same, and in temp is equal to if j is greater than 0. It's a condition j is greater than 0. Then 1 minute. Okay. Then if j is greater than 0, then this condition is true. Otherwise, this condition is true. It's okay. You understand what I say? If j is greater than 0, then this condition true, otherwise this condition of true. Okay. So that's then add in this add curve temp, add this number, and after that add this. It's a main 2D array. Okay. Then after that return it's okay. Run this. Time mistake. Something. I think all the place of number to nums. So that change all the nums to nums row. Okay. What happened? Okay. List are missing in the 2D array list. Many things are. Okay. It's a fine. Then submit. Okay. It's fine, accepted. This is a good question. It's a easy type question, but it's a good question. And I will solve the only one question because I have some problem. I am ill, and so it's a good. And thank you. Bye. Support me if you was the first time in my channel. Then support, subscribe, like, share, subscribe my channel. Or nothing I will give you. So it's okay. Bye. Take care.